Welcome everyone to the Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. Let's see what we have for the intraday, and we're gonna see some stocks for some special requests from our Discord members. So we are in Nasdaq on the 50-minute chart, 1-2, and potential like another 1-2 that because of the extensions. But honestly, after this, I'm starting to think to bring back my scenario as a finished impulse there, and that no extension is unfolding there, because of course this is a very long time there as a sideways, and we see also the high taken, meaning I cannot really consider this as a triangle. I mean, I know that only the wick has been taken. It can be sometimes like a barrier triangle, but with a wick, okay, that's fine. But yeah, I still doubt it. Like A, B, C, D, and a E, but it reflects or alternate what? Which wave two in the lower time frame here there. So I don't see it, right? Therefore, is it a larger structure here? Corrective even can be another A, B, and a C. So it has started to tell me here that even if we push for higher there, it might transform it to an ABC there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning a large A, B, and a C. Yeah, I don't like it, what's going on in there. Otherwise, it has to be a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then pushing really high. And then this wave 4, okay, perfectly alternating this wave 2. Then we stay in our scenarios as several 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4, and a wave 5 is unfolding as double 1, 2. Okay, so it's still there for the bullish, can be, of course, guys. That's why I didn't change it yet. But we'll see if this is going to unfold. We gotta be careful, of course. Confirmation for higher is still required a little bit, I would say. Let's take this confirmation for higher, guys. 29k 970. Since this high has been taken, to be much more safer, I prefer right now to take this high over there. All right, but even so be careful. It can be like ABC expanding flat, meaning A, B, and a C, and that will be horrible. Be careful with it, guys. So for SPX, that's very nice. Okay, SPX showing also kind of like resilience here. Yeah, so we still see this this top of the triangle, the tops of it. Currently, it is unfolding like kind of like a barrier triangle, or we are really here in a finished wave 4. Okay, and then we're looking for several 1-2s there, as we mentioned before, because of the extension. Again, look, we already overpassed the 1.618, and that's why we still like unfolding several 1-2s, and it might be massive in that case, guys. All right, so we'll see if this is gonna happen, meaning direct bullish pushing towards our green zone. Confirmation, yeah, taking the 7k. We need the 7k 796 here to confirm the green zone to be taken. Great. For Dow Jones also nothing has changed. Dow Jones is very, very clear. I would say we're still looking for the red zone. Nothing to add, guys. Probabilities are still the same. Great. So let's see what do we have today also with our members. So Kami, hello buddy. DXY, yes. So let's take a look at the dollar index. So lately we have already yes. So lately we were looking for a wave 4 to be finished, and exactly in that red zone area here. We see a bounces, of course, and we still see here the wave 5 that it might be unfolding, meaning the US dollar might push for higher in the next days, right? So be careful. That means, of course, the markets might suffer with some red candles against the dollars. All right, so we're still in a wave 5. There's still an ABC, and I still see, of course, that this might push for higher. So even if we push a little bit lower 1-to-1 here, you still can push for higher. All right, so that is the thing. Even there is a probability like that, but very likely to be done here in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You start to accumulate and you push for higher. So the XY is looking strong. I will say in a strong position to push for higher again. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this, of course, is your wave 4 in a 1-2 there. So you are in a 1-2 and a wave 3, and then the 3 waves up for a wave A, 3 waves down, and you need the wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That's why you finish wave 4, you're looking for the wave 5. Nice. For the XY, it's done. You're very welcome, Hung. Shafi, good morning, buddy. Could I please request MCK, McKesson? All right. MCK. MCK. All right. Okay, we did that before. I never remember that I typed such abbreviation, but here we are. So wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow, we hit the target even. Very nice. Okay, I believe we did this very long time ago, and the old presentation is there. So I'm gonna move to the new one, and here we are. We are inside our green area, the green box. So very nice. I think that it's done there. Okay, I think that it is done because double targets in precision has been taken here. But I'm gonna revise. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, for the wave 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very true. So yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, we have finished, guys. It finished the count. Wave 3, you're looking for a wave 4. Wave 4 in the magenta here, you're looking, of course, for a drop from there, but very nice hit, by the way. I love those hits, like in a very high precision inside our double green boxes. So currently, I'm looking for the 0.23. Yeah, so I'm looking for the $396, which it might be, yeah, it might be deep, right? It's a flat in the wave 2. Expect a zigzag before you push for higher again. Okay. Timing wise, I would say, yeah, it might need some time. So you're looking for this time here. There you go. This is a time, meaning around April, May, to start in 2028 to finish the correction. Okay, that's a very long one. So, and you have started, by the way, it has started. Let me check. Yeah, it's an impulse. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave A, B, and a C. Okay. Good luck with that one. All right, Shafi. Aiden, Google. All right. Google alphabet. Let's see Google. All right. Our target hit as well for wave 3. Very nice. So that was a wave 3 impulse. Let's put the new presentation. Also, it has been a long time we didn't analyze Google. So wave 4, even that it was expected hit. All right, we hit also the wave 4 there. Okay, but the time is not yet done. So the timing is still, yeah, required here. There you go. We didn't hit even the time yet. Therefore, it's the 3 waves down, pushing up, and then still looking for the time here. Very likely 0.38 might be taken in the next wave, $271. All right, so the path is as follow here. You're looking for the bearish here and then pushing bullish again from there. This one is done. All right, so next target might be then, in that case, you're looking for wave 5/1. There you go. The next target might reach in confluence with the general target here that you see the big green box here. It is, of course, your wave 1, wave A. It's a full structure. It's a major structure finishing here in the top, and this might end up at $672. We'll see. A problem would be, of course, that the wave 5. Let me check if this will happen. Okay, yes. You cannot be longer than the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level taken from the wave 3, because I see kind of like the wave 1, or let me check as well. That's very tricky impulse. They are very equal. Okay, yeah, no, wave 3 is longer, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, it can go as much as it wants. All right, I thought that the wave 1 is longer than wave 3, but wave 3 is longer actually, so wave 5 is very free there. All right, to go wherever it wants. That it for Google. Devrim, Oracle, 1 hour frame, please, as I cannot decode the impulse from the low. All right, Oracle. Okay, it's done. We already said that it is done for Oracle. All right, it's done. And even on 1 hour time frame, I mean, you don't need to decode it. It's very clear, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. So it's very clear. Okay. Also internally, you have several 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. I mean, I'm not gonna enter in it. It's very clear. Okay. So it's done. It's finished. Okay. We push for higher. The time and the fib levels already taken. All right, Devrim. Bijan or Bijan. I don't know which one you prefer. It's I think Bijan maybe. All right. Hi KG, could you analyze MU please? Yes, sure. The Elliott wave count within the current larger degree wave 4 correction. MICRON technology. All right. So wave 4. Yeah. So I think we did it. It has been like just few days that we did this one. So I still remember it. Wave 4 is still there. You still need at least the 0.23. So you cannot think in anything bullish right now. All right. Because the time plus the fib level both are not hit. So definitely you're still waiting for this area. Now, is it necessarily to enter inside it? No, definitely not. It's not necessarily because you're wasting your time here. Everything is anyway corrective, overlapping, and it's going to play this the whole time. Now, what you know is that you still need the time and you still need the fib level, the minimum requirements. They are not there. So I believe this is the best way to relax, right? Yes, so just leave it play. Leave it play at least that you come to this point here, at this point, which is January, Friday, 15 January. Then yeah, you can start to be worried about it. But currently, it's very clear. You still need, of course, lower there. Okay. Yeah, so that's for MU. Okay. Alexandru, hi KG, can you check Wix? All right. Is it the website builder? Wix.com, yes. Okay, we did Wix before. Wow. All right. Yeah, that's clear impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1 or wave A. ABC for wave 2 or wave B. Signal of strands. Very nice. We push for higher. Is this wave C finished? Let me check as well. Double check. Daily. Two. Okay, 3 waves. Oh, running flat. Or even expanding flat finished perfectly. A, B, and a C. So this is your wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 3, 4, and a 5. It's a perfect impulse, guys. Finished, yes. It's a signal of strength. We push for higher. The targets are very clear. You're looking here for, let's say, zigzag. Yeah, you're looking for a zigzag at least inside this green box. All right. So currently you're looking, it can be, of course, something higher as a 1, 2. But this is kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, you're looking for that. All right, let's put this in white. So it's very bullish. Wix is very bullish. Very nice one. All right. That's for Wix. Hi KG, CK, how you doing? Would you request Celebrate? Okay. I'm gonna copy that. Celebrate. All right. Oh, okay. All right, we did that before. So CLBT is the abbreviation. I appreciate it. So Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow, what's going on here? Oh, it wants exactly the 1-to-1. Okay, but you gotta be careful. It's a red flag. All right, it's a red flag. You're very close to the invalidation of bullish here, and that thing here happening, I don't like it. Is it in 1 day candle? Oh, yeah, that's not good. All right, that's not good. It's definitely something. Is it the revenue or something like that? I think so. Yeah, because I see the revenue here, the earnings. I think so. So be careful with this one. It doesn't look good. Very close to the invalidation. And one candle, that's definitely an impulse. All right. So that's not really nice. So be careful with this one. Yeah. So it is going for invalidation, meaning bearish. Good morning, MK4. How you doing? That sounds like a weapon, MK4. All right. So nice nickname. All right. So your thoughts on SML? SML. Vespa. All right. Small cap. I think we never did that. Ooh, what is that? All right. Maybe we need yeah, I'm very sorry, buddy. That's not something that you want to trade with. I'm not sure if it is the right one, but Vespa. Did you mention SML? But I think we did something like this. Maybe you mean this one? It's the same. SML. It's the same. I think yeah, you mean this one. I don't recommend that at all. Okay, three waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It's a failure. Be careful, buddy. It's Patel. Can chart VRSK. Sure, buddy. VRSK. Versic Analytics. Right. All right. That's a nice chart. Let's see. So looks like a finished impulse there. Okay, so we have already your wave 1 there, wave 2, then 1, 2 again, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it looks like several 1, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, wave 3, ABC wave 4. Oh, even go in W, X, and a Y triangle. Or no, it is 3 waves. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Yes, it is done. Okay, it's a done, finished impulse. All right. So, and also internally, I'm not gonna count all of them, but like several 1, 2s. But this is how it is: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. In that way, mini white. Okay. And of course, internally you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, this is how you finish, and then 4, 5 for this small 1, 2. But I'm not gonna lay all those 1, 2s. And here you're in a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Great. So currently you're looking for a wave 2 or a wave B. Minimum target, I will prefer here, of course, the 0.38, meaning wave 2 as minimum target. You're still looking for the $122. You have finished the wave A in an impulse and the wave B, and you might seek after the wave C as a large 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Right? So let's downgrade. Here we go. Okay, we'll see if this is gonna play. I think that was it. Yes, that's all. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.